Okay. Finally, this is the moment. Woo. I really. Sorry about that. But finally, the time has come. I spent an hour trying to get this. So finally, we've done it. We're getting Tabby. Finally. One of the best V's in the game. I'm about to get it. Let's go. Finally, 500 tickets. I don't want to buy anything. Please not Puppy V. Yes. Okay. Alright. Well, we're just going to buy it. But the moment, the best one is, when I use the eggs. So let's just buy it. Okay. Alright. What was that sound? That sounded stupid. But, alright, finally. Turn the stupid music off. Finally, it's time. Alright. Tabby B egg. Who should I'm gonna use it on my hasty bee. Or no, do it on a high level bee. Oh no, what should I do? Which bee do I have level 8? I have this diamond bee, but it's okay. We'll just do it on level 8 bee. Commander bee? Wait, no. I have a duplicate commanders. Wait, no. Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna do it on commander. Demon bee? Demon bee is level 7, so no. Alright, commander bee. Bye-bye. But Tabby bee is gonna be here. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Oh my god, finally. I got Tabby. Bro, can I see Tabby? Alright, thank you. Oh my god, this is insane. Yay. Finally, after all of that work, I finally got it. All my honey is drained. Oh yeah, but see ya. Let's go.